Hey guys, so if you're watching this, I am so excited, and that means that I filmed my YouTube video, it went smoothly, I edited it, I finally got the confidence to upload on YouTube, and here it is, my first official YouTube video. And for my first YouTube video, I'm going to show you guys how to do this soft cranberry look with a little glitter in the center for Valentines, or even for prom, for semi-pastel, but any dances, any formal events that you guys have going up. Even if, you know, one Friday night you got nothing to do, you're on your couch or watching Netflix, and you know what, you just want to look good for yourself, because ain't nothing wrong with that. It's 2018, let's go. So just a little like information, insight. My name is Sabrina. I am 17 years old, and I just love makeup, so I just started this YouTube channel just to see how it goes, see what you guys think, and just hopefully you don't roast me. You know, I am still a child, so bear with me, okay? I'm not a professional makeup artist, nothing like that. I'm just a girl that loves makeup, so keep that in mind, okay? Like, hopefully you guys enjoy this page, you like my channel, you like my videos, and definitely there will be more to come. So yeah, enough talk, let's just go straight into the video and straight into the tutorial. Peace out.
Would you know I don't want no scrub? A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub.
Instinct leads me to another flow.
Hanging out the
Next, I'm gonna be using my Pure Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. So since I already put the golden orchid in my crease, I'm gonna just start by using this light pink shade. None of them have shades, I'm really sorry. So I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics brush. This is brush number 6. It's just a flat end, like flat crease brush, and it's really nice. I really like it. So I'm just gonna take a bit of the beauty, tap my brushes so that you don't have any fallout, and I'm gonna put that shade in my crease.
Chest where I rest, no stress if you don't smoke cess, less. I must confess, my destiny's manifest. There's some cortex and sweats, I make tracks like I'm homeless.
Instinct leads me to another flow. Every time I hear
So I'm going in with the same brush, and I'm taking this darker red. I love this. It's like a dark cranberry red. I love this shade. I'm just gonna get onto that. And I'm going to apply it into my crease, but I'm gonna put it more so in the corner, and then really just in my crease if that makes sense. Like the pink is gonna be higher, and this one's gonna be like just like right into my dent.
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us. It should be about just me. What's love?
Come on, everybody, get on now. Cause you know we got to get it wrong. Mary J is in the spot.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. So next, I'm going to take kind of the dark mauve color at the top now. This is like kind of more deeper red, almost like plum. I'm gonna take that color with my another BH Cosmetics brushes. The brushes were 50% off, so you know I had to steal a brush, and they're so good. They have vegan ones too that are really good. I have a few. I'm gonna pat it again. So now I'm gonna put this in my lower outer V, just because I do have smaller eyes, so I don't like to bring my darker shades more up.
Would you give up or try again if I hesitate to let you in? Now would you be yourself or play a role? Tell all the boys.
Now, after I applied it to my bottom V, I'm gonna apply it halfway into my crease. I'm gonna stop like right in the middle of my eyeball.
Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again and try again.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it straight from the brush, from the applicator I mean. And just to show you guys what I am gonna do is I'm gonna apply it from the inner corner, And just about where you stopped with that deeper cranberry in your deeper V and in your crease, I'm gonna apply it till there. As you can see, like you can probably see like where the eyeshadow like stops. That's where I'm gonna apply it, and same for the other eye.
With every passing moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you.
So I'm just gonna take this brush. This is just like some random Walmart brush. It's just like the sponge applicator. You can get these for free at Sephora. Well, they're not free. You take them. They're the testers. Okay, like just anyway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take 2 of the glitter shades, or well, the shimmer shades. I'm gonna take this darker one and this really pretty like champagne color.
Good night, Sabrina.
Good night. Yeah, going to bed. Okay, resume. Sorry about that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this darker shimmer shade and I'm gonna put it all over, like on top of the shade, on the liquid steel we just put on. So the trick is to make your shimmer shades more pigmented. Put a good amount on the sponge applicator, and then you're gonna take your setting spray. I use the Urban Decay All Nighter. Also, if you're gonna do the setting spray trick, do not spray it before you dip your brush into the palette, just because you're gonna ruin your shadows. They're gonna get really hard after, and you're just gonna ruin them, believe me. There we go. So honestly, you could stop now, but since I have smaller eyes, I like to make my eyes look bigger. So I'm gonna go in with that second brighter shimmer shade right here, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my eyes, like right directly above where my eyeball, like my pupil is. And what that's gonna do is gonna make your eyes look way bigger, and just pat it down. So this is the look up close. I'm just going to apply lashes off camera, and then I'm going to do my full face, and I'll get back with you guys. And we back. I completed my face makeup. I just put foundation, translucent powder. I put on my lashes, looking bomb, is cute as fuck. Also, if you guys like, let's just do a little appreciation post. Hold on, get the Lumi case for the day. If you guys are really a fan of my lashes, they are Icon lashes, and these ones are First Date. You can use my promo code Sabrina. Oh, I'll leave it in the description. I'll leave the link to the lashes in the description because they're honestly beautiful, and you'll save 30% off, and just like look at that, look at that. So yeah. So when you're setting your spray, I'm using the All Nighter Urban Decay one again. So you're gonna set it, and I'm not forgetting anything. So just soak your face up. So once you're done, what you're gonna do, if you have dry skin and you want full coverage but you don't want that cakey look, you're gonna get a beauty blender. I use one of those cheaper ones that are usually like way harder and they don't really bounce, because yeah. And you're just gonna push in the product. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna like take any excess foundation off so that it won't cake up, and it won't look anything like funny or anything like that. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna compact your, not compact, but really like push in and set your foundation so that it's smooth, it's not cakey, it doesn't break out, because you're pushing in that foundation so it really sticks to your skin and it doesn't do anything. Believe me guys, this helps so much with dry skin. For lip, I'm just gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I love this one. I'm usually not a lip gloss fan, but this one looks so good. It complements everyone. It's not thick and like tacky. It doesn't like, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like others. It's just, it's Fenty Beauty, okay? So that is the final look, guys. I'll do a close-up soon so you can see everything, the highlight, the lipstick, the lip gloss, everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my first video, so I really support any comments, any likes, anything. Subscribe, you know, click that button down low, support me. Hopefully just leave down some comments, and then just leave down some ideas down below in the comment section, just so I know what you guys want, what you guys thought of this video, what I can improve on, and it will help me a lot, so much. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And also you can follow me on Instagram. I have 2 accounts. If you want to see my makeup account, where I post a lot more eyeshadow looks, I post a lot more tips and tricks, and if you just, you know, you're on the go, you don't have time to watch my videos, you can go to my makeup Instagram account. Or if you want to get personal with me and you want to see me on a more personal note, you can follow my personal account. It's just right here. And thank you guys so much. I love you all, and see you next time. Oh, the close-up, okay, so this is the final look. Let me just fix my hair, you know. Also, I'm using my Lumi case because I don't have a ring light, but that's the look. My foundation, I used the Maybelline Fit Me with the Fit Me translucent powder there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below.